Acme Educational Publications. Number 1. Educational Group.
Hello, young mathematicians. My name is Millie. Welcome to Umizoomi Maths. Early Year Foundation Stage 2. Today, we have an exciting exercise of learning maths.
Let's engage those young minds in the world of time. First example is given, 7 o'clock. Now, kids, what time is it for the following clocks? Take a moment to think. 1:20. Great effort. The time is 1:20. Now let's move on. Take a moment. Ooh. Well done. The time is 12:15. Now for the next one. Four o'clock. Good thinking. The time is 4 o'clock. Now let's check it next. Excellent. The time is 5 o'clock. Moving on. (10:30). Now let's explore. Bravo! The time is 7:55. Now for the next challenge. Impressive! The time is 9:25. And finally... Impressive! It is 9:25. 6:10. And finally... Well done, Time Masters. Keep practicing and unlocking the secrets of the clock.
Comment us the screenshot of your activity. Must like, subscribe, and share this video. Happy learning, and I'll see you in the next lesson.